how to set up a free rotary input module with Arduino. In this video, I will use the WisBlock RAK14006 rotary input module. Attach the RAK14006 onto the WisBlock baseboard core. Connect via USB and open Arduino. Select the WisBlock RAK Core 4631 board. The RAK14006 is also compatible with the ESP32 and RP2040 boards from the WisCore family. Open your browser and go on to docs.rakwireless.com. Search for 14006. Select Quick Start Guide. Scroll down to sample code and copy. Go back to Arduino and Control Paste. Then go to Tools, Port, COM26, select Save, then Upload. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor to view logs. The RAK14006 is now communicating with the WisBlock core. For more information, please visit the link down below.